have to. You still have to Leela now. I don't even have a network in Bombay. I have to get out more. We're going to make a list of all eligibles. You cannot lie to him. He's going, no, that number's not. He's got a photographic memory for numbers. I learned the hard way.
Right? That's right. You make sure when you're quoting numbers.
Right. I check it 3 times.
Yeah. Smart. Definitely.
I don't think I've been to Minnesota. Both Harsha and Prashant mentioned.
Well, you know, if you're going to come to Minnesota, I think you need to come
December,
June.
In the 90s?
60s, 70s.
Yeah, now it's between 75 and 90 degrees.
That's not so beautiful for us. We prefer the other way. We prefer the other pendulum side of the pendulum.
You like it warmer than that?
Colder. Hi, Prashant. Yes, thank you.
Where would you like us looking?
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to.
So, in the camera.
Okay.
Good? Yes, no, it's beautiful. Really. And we talked about some of the different places that one of the on the left. Is that right? Okay.
Can you just do one more for me?
Over here?
So we go.
Yeah. Close. Oh, that's just video? I always say, I'd like to get. Oh, wonderful. And what do you do for them? Oh, so you put all this together. Hey, you did a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Yeah. How long have you been with Telelogs?
So I have, because of the individual company, been into this for
Yeah, अजून सर थोडा अजून क्रॉस थांबा कारण स्लीप come center, sir. That Hapu logo is coming. Yeah, that's right. Sorry, boss. Sir, one second. Sir.
So, in this camera. So here. Yes, better.
Thank you, sir. This is a good set. I'm happy to do that.
Thank you.
From where Snap Fitness is managed. Snap is one of the largest gym production in over 24 countries. So it's just an unimaginable thing to be all over the world taking the message of fitness. And I thank Peter for being here with us today. We also have Prashant Talwalkar, the CEO and Managing Director of Talwalkar's Better Value Fitness. The name Talwalkar's is synonymous with fitness in India, and what is wonderful is that it's now also moving across the shores, and I'm not going to say much about that because that's what our two esteemed people on the stage are going to tell you more about. Without much ado, I will request Prashant Talwalkar to say a few words to you about the plans that Talwalkar's has in mind. Over to you, Prashant.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much for giving your time and again, you have always been very supportive to us. This is also one of the good and a happy day for us. Mr. Peter has come all the way from Minneapolis and to address all of us. And it's nice to see all of you. And trying to see that we can brief you as much as what we want to do. And I always say that it's a giant step for us to go out of the country, but we also believe to take a baby steps, step by step. And we are on that path. So I'm sure this association is going to be another feather in our cap since we have been here for last, I'm the third generation, so it's 85 years that this journey has come all the way. And as I see in the past and now, that something like this happening is always a wonderful thing, and as far as the fitness is concerned and otherwise. So me and Peter are very glad to be in front of you and to answer any questions if you please. So thank you very much once again.
May I ask Peter to say a few words on the proposed plan for Talwalkar's to work along with Snap in the Asian market, where Talwalkar's will take the Snap brand and other brands to Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. So it's really a great jump forward. Right now, Talwalkar's is the market leader in India with 211 locations in 85 cities, and we are also the market leaders in Sri Lanka by far. And now, having tasted some success in the international market, Talwalkar's is ready to take the next step and hopefully will do in the rest of Asia what it has succeeded in doing in India and Sri Lanka. Over to you, Peter.
Thank you. Well, first of all, thank you, everyone, for coming here today. I know that everyone has busy, hectic schedules. Speaking on behalf of myself and my supporting cast back in Minneapolis, we are very excited about this collaboration of two great brands. And we're excited. You know, we were talking in some of the earlier interviews I did this morning, we were talking about wellness, and that is the universal language anywhere. It doesn't matter what corner of the world I'm in. Everyone is interested in living a happier, healthier lifestyle. So in our case, we plan to lock arms and move forward through these 6 countries and introduce wellness in a way that delivers value, and most importantly, it's relevant with what the consumer is looking for. And it's easy for us with big brands creating concepts in a little bit of a vacuum, but what's so important today is that you continue to look at what the market is looking for. What is the consumer actually looking for? And putting our heads together and making sure that we deliver that product every day. That I always say we have to deliver on our promise every day, and that promise is centered around delivering healthy lifestyles for people, understanding what does their transformation journey look like and helping them get there. So we're excited about the opportunity, and I'm excited to be here today.
Before taking some questions from the audience, I thought I'd just ask Prashant. Peter just talked about transforming the lives of people. Prashant, can you talk a little bit about what Talwalkar's has been doing over the past 85 years in this context and how you see the future?
Look, today when I go to any of my branch, what I see is people keenness and the kind of attendance which is growing every day. So it itself is a good reflection that what happened 85 years ago when my grandfather started this as a journey, and today it's just not it's just not a male-oriented one. It's a very much female-oriented too. So this combination of male-female growing and the youngsters coming in for whatever reason, yeah, that they would like to be fit and fine. That means what is happening today is the growth in the fitness industry is growing every hour. So everybody wants to get into the fitness, wants to look good, and looking good has become the priority. Of course, clinical reasons, what we call as a health reasons is of course another reason for people to attend. But overall what I see is a growth, and India is seeing this growth rapidly for last 10 years. And I see the future is very bright for India and in the fitness industry globally.
Do you feel that over the years fitness is changing, and is therefore Talwalkar's coming out with other options apart from the traditional gym business to satisfy some of those needs?
It is, it is. So when, in the beginning, I have always seen people who are coming for exercise, gymming, lifting weights. And then what I see is a woman population coming in and trying to get into good looks. What question I keep hearing was that, is there any shortcut to this? So we don't believe in the shortcuts, yes, but we also believe into the science. So as the time passed, over the years, we went on bringing different aspects, whatever, whether it is in aerobics or group exercise to EMS. The EMS is a product what we call as electromuscular stimulant, and the brand is New Form. So what we did time to time is to move with the time and don't wait for, or rather waited for the time to change us. So bringing in this technology and science and different aspects is necessity for us. So we keep on bringing these changes time to time, including the weight loss programs. For example, people were always saying that, you know, it is very well for your dietitian to prescribe a good diet for us, but how do I manage when I go to work? How do I manage when my whole house has to go through the same food pattern or a diet which I go? So that's the way when we introduced the food products, and the product we call the weight loss product is a reduced product.